Hey everybody, I just wanted to go into a couple of the apps that are built into the phone that you can take advantage of. One is Notes. What I've been doing since the iPhone is I've been using the Notes app to make a note of what I just talked about with the client so that when I get back to the office or when I'm sitting in my car actioning it right away, that I know what I'm going on to. So, of course, we got the keyboard. I don't know if everyone knows, but you can press this mic here, and don't forget to send the artwork to the client. And then hit done. There you go. So if you're driving, you can use your headphones and press that mic, and that will put the note in there for you. You can also use that microphone for returning texts as well too, if you need to do those while you're multitasking. There you go. One little fun thing, and this app is this one right here, the yellow notepad. Excellent. Have a great day. Happy selling.